When a printer suddenly stops and shows an error like B204, it can feel like a serious problem, especially if you were printing normally just before it happened. With a Canon printer, this error is usually linked to printhead or ink system issues rather than a complete failure. The printer may refuse to print, display the error on the screen, or stop responding to commands. In many cases, this happens because the printhead overheats, gets clogged, or the ink system is not functioning properly. Sometimes it can also be triggered by a temporary internal glitch. There are also situations where the printer locks itself to prevent further damage, which is why it won't resume printing until the issue is cleared. Because of this, the fix involves checking both hardware and basic reset steps instead of trying to print repeatedly. Number 1. Turn off the printer and plug it out. 2. Open the printer cover and remove the ink cartridges carefully. 3. Take out the print head and check for any visible blockage or damage. 4. Clean the print head gently and reinstall it along with the cartridges. 5. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. 6. Run a test print to check if the error is cleared.